Hello class 9. Today I am going to continue with this chapter number 9, economic importance of bacteria and fungi. Now today I am going to start with this topic, that is useful role of bacteria in medicine. We discussed in previous video and bacteria are used in the medicine in the production of antibiotics, serum and vaccine. Antibiotic we discussed in previous video. Now today I am going to start with the second thing, that is serum. Okay, serum actually means blood plasma from which fibrinogen has been removed. ठीक है, serum क्या होता है? blood plasma होता है, blood plasma, and here fibrinogen protein होती है ना, fibrinogen protein absent, and without blood plasma without fibrinogen protein. Okay, and it may contain the numerous chemical substance including antibodies, antitoxin, etc. What are toxins? Okay, what are toxins? Toxins are poisonous protein released by pathogenic bacteria during their growth or on their breakdown after they die. Okay, understand it. What is serum? Serum actually means blood plasma from which fibrinogen has been removed. It may contain numerous chemical substances including antibodies, antitoxin, etc. Now, what are antitoxins? Toxins are poisonous substances, okay, and released or proteins. Basically toxins are proteins, poisonous protein released by pathogenic bacteria during their growth or on their breakdown after they die. Now serum contain antitoxin, serum contain antitoxins. Okay, antitoxins means a chemical substance of a particular pathogen. Serums are used as a preventive measure against the bacterial invasion. Bacterial invasion. Okay, for preparing serum, a small dose of bacterial toxin is introduced into the blood of a healthy animal such as a horse or cow. The body produced antitoxin to neutralize the effect of toxin. After several injections of the same toxin, the blood of such animal is taken out. On chilling, it clears the straw color liquid which separates out from the clot, and it is called serum. Okay, snake bite treatment involve injecting the particular antivenin produced from the blood of the horse, etc. in the same manner as in this serum preparation. Okay, genetic engineering has made it possible to introduce the human gene in certain bacteria like Escherichia coli और E. coli. ठीक है, जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग में हम यूज़ करते हैं दिस बैक्टीरिया को. दीज बैक्टीरियल कल्चर ग्रो वेरी रेपिडली. द पर्टिकुलर जीन डिपेंडेंट प्रोडक्ट आर एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम दीज बैक्टीरिया. The hormone insulin was the first such substance produced by E. coli. Okay, now few serum compound produced by genetically modified bacteria are blood clotting factor 8. Okay, blood clotting factor 8. ठीक है, फैक्टर 8 को भी हमने जेनेटिकली जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग को अप्लाई करके बनाया है ना. सेकेंड फैक्टर 9, ठीक है, जो आपका हीमोफीलिया में ट्रीटमेंट होता है. अंडरस्टैंड इट हाउ यू प्रिपेयर सिरम. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल preparing a serum, a small dose of bacterial toxin is introduced into the body of a healthy animal such as horse or cow. The body produce antitoxin. जैसे ही हम डालेंगे उसके अंदर, उसकी बॉडी एंटीटॉक्सिन प्रोड्यूस करेगी to neutralize the effect of toxin. After several injection of the same toxin, the blood of such animal is taken out. On chilling, it clears a straw color liquid which separates out from the clot, and it is called serum. Understand it? Now next one is vaccine. Vaccines. Okay, vaccines a preparation consisting of weakened germ or a dead germ substance. What is the vaccine? A vaccine, a preparation consisting of weakened germ or dead germ cell or dead germ substance. Okay. And vaccination. What is the vaccination? What is the difference between the vaccine and vaccination? Exam में question आ सकता है. Okay, this is very important to understand the terms vaccines and vaccination. Vaccination, introduction of these weakened germ. Okay, in the body. Introduction of weakened germs or dead germ substance or dead germ substances into the body for developing resistance to a particular disease. Okay. Now, what is vaccine? Vaccine is a preparation of consisting of weakened germs or dead germ substances. Now, vaccination, introduction of the weakened germs or dead germ substances into the body for developing resistant to a particular disease. हम germ क्यों डाल रहे हैं body के अंदर? ताकि हमारी body resist करे against a particular disease. Okay, vaccines are available for a variety of diseases such as किसके लिए? Cholera. Okay, cholera, typhoid and measles, chickenpox. On injecting them into the body, the person gets disease in mild forms and his body gets stimulated to produce antitoxin. Okay, the antitoxin produce immunity against any future attack of a particular disease. What is antitoxin? Antitoxin, a substance produced in animal body which react with the poison produced by the invading germs. Now, two common vaccine obtained by the growing bacteria as a killed bacteria, that is TB vaccine for TB for typhoid and BCG for TB, and that is called tuberculosis. Okay, TB vaccine for typhoid and BCG vaccine for tuberculosis. And now, what is your homework? Write a short note on serum, okay, and vaccines and antitoxins and toxins. Okay. Now, next one, that is toxoids. Toxoids are the inactivated toxin. Toxins of the particular bacteria which can still stimulate the production of respective antibodies such as those for the producing of immunity against the diphtheria and tetanus. Understand it? Toxoids are inactivated toxins of the particular bacteria, which can still stimulate the production of the antibodies, okay, particular respective antibodies as those for producing immunity against the diphtheria and tetanus, okay.